In today's video, we're going to show you how to use screed chairs, how to set them up, and why you should use them. First off, you just want to set a string line to grade, because what you're going to do after your string line is set is you're going to cut 18 to 24 half-inch rebar, and then you're going to pound those in about an inch away from the string line, pound them all the way down to about the string line, and then after that you're going to use our grade tool to set the height of the rebar so that you can put the screed chair on top, and then you're good to go. Set them all. These screed chairs are designed for a 2-inch outside diameter pipe, but you can use a different size pipe. You just need to make sure that you calculate your measurements accordingly.
Yeah. They'll probably get the sound recorded.
Yeah, even better. Put that on YouTube. Yeah, that's we like to hear some life experiences. Why do men tell other men to get married? Stay away from that one.
Yeah, I'm not
Let's film this one.
I'm not going to respond. Yeah.
Hey, you know this is hydraulic here, right?
Yeah, well, I thought that was it, but these hoses are empty now though, so it's gonna suck.
Well, let's start it and we'll just run some through.
Forward is spin.
Yeah, is that how it goes then? Yeah.
Okay, it's a garage floor, 2-inch slope down,
5 inches thick.
5 inches thick, fiber, it'll take 18 yards. Running a footing along this to be an outside wall.
Don't show that.
Yeah, don't show that.
What's the metal thing?
That's a, call it a key cold.
Key cold.
Key cold? Key cold. Franklin calls it something different.
Yeah. So this is what's going to give us an automatic joint in the concrete, because your concrete is going to crack right off this corner. And so we're forcing the crack to be right here. And that's at concrete height, and we'll screed off that. So we have nothing on that side to screed against. You can see the line of our concrete height. So we've set these screed chairs, and we will put this 2-inch metal bar that our roller screed can ride on. And the roller screed rides and pulls the concrete, and this is the height of our concrete. Since we can't screed off this, because that's our level, that red line, you have to have some sort of temporary screed rail to screed off of, and that's what these screed chairs are for. They hold your temporary rail.
Where can people buy these?
Screedchair.com or Franklin Building Supply. It'll flow out.
That's why he's the boss.
Yep.
Crafty.
That big long pole hard to control?
I'm used to it. Been battling long poles forever.
Looks a little limp in the middle, kind of sagging.
They get that way when they're this long. The older they are, the older they get. Right, Riley? Oh, Riley, you don't have that issue yet. You earned it. So you having travels and out really good. It's really easy. Stock and power trowel the whole thing.